Hey, and welcome back to another video. So in this video, I have for you a red hydrogen one, the first one that I ever owned, that I got off eBay for the price on screen here. So it was technically the cheapest red hydrogen one on eBay, the cheapest working one, I'd say, because there was another one. The display was destroyed. So considering that you cannot replace the display on this phone because of the type of display, I just avoided that. And this is the cheapest working red hydrogen one on eBay, $70. It was a auction and I won the auction, so no one else was actually bidding on this thing. So this is what it is. Also, don't forget to hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. And also check out my social media down in the description below, which includes Instagram, Discord, and Twitter as well. And now let's see what we have here. So right off the bat, the phone is huge. I mean, a lot of people said that this phone is pretty big, but I've seen big phones in my... Holy crap. That thing is heavy. I've never held one or seen one in real life. Because these things were very expensive, and as we all know, the red hydrogen one was a failure. So yeah, oh damn, this thing is heavy and it just feels it just feels different. It feels like a tank. So we got the dual tone back here, aluminum, and there's a bit of carbon fiber there as well. The attachments that never came because this was a failure. Red branding, speakers, cameras, sensors, 2 cameras at the back as well. There's a slight crack on the screen. It's not a crack, it's like a scratch, but no, it is a crack, but that's fine. It's not on the camera, so that was prone to cracking pretty easily. On the sides here, we have the camera shutter button, power button combo with a fingerprint scanner, volume up and down. This thing feels like a tank. So let's go power this thing on. It should have some battery. Oh, its battery is dead. So I gotta go charge it with the USB-C. So be right back. Okay, so the thing charged up, and something that I probably said before about the design, I said it was carbon fiber. No, it's actually Kevlar. It's got Kevlar here, and this is metal, so mix that up. I've been watching the stock video that they have, the Red Player video, that one, and it's really tripping. Like, I'm not used to this, and I've seen 3D stuff before, HTC Evo 3D and stuff. I do have an Evo 3D, but that thing needs repairs because its touchscreen doesn't work. But I've seen an Evo 3D, a different one, and I've seen what it can do. This thing, however, is a bit different. Now, the Evo 3D and all the other 3D phones use a 3D display called a parallax barrier or a lenticular display. So it's either parallax barrier or lenticular. The parallax barrier and the lenticular are a bit slightly different, but they still do 3D. The most common is parallax barrier. However, this thing uses something called a holographic full view display. It's basically diffractive backlighting. I don't know exactly how the technology on this works. I have to do some research, and I'll be doing a full review on this phone, using this phone in 2021. So stay tuned for that by hitting the subscribe button. But despite me not being able to show you the full 3D experience on this display, I can show you some of it. Some still shows up on the standard 1080p video that I'm shooting this on. Let me turn it to this side. Let me do that. As you can, I'm not sure if that's showing up on camera, but I hope that's showing up on camera. It's just really trippy. My eyes still have to get used to it, and it's definitely not showing up that well on camera, but still, it is some next level stuff, and I've never seen this kind of 3D before. It's just really different. Yeah, it's some images it kind of does show, but not on the others. This image, it shows really well. Yeah. Oh, this one too, as you can see. Yeah, that's just the basic part of that display. It's just really hard. It's not coming up on camera. YouTube obviously doesn't have 3D yet. Apart from that, the phone is just a simple Android phone. It's running Android 8. There's no official update to 10 or 11 yet, but I'm pretty sure the guys at XDA have that sorted out. The camera, so love, we can shoot in 3D as well, but then again, it's pointless because there's no way I can show you on screen, on video, the difference. But yeah, there's nothing much else to talk about it. There's going to be a couple of videos coming out on this phone, basically using this phone in 2021. We're going to talk about more about the display and stuff like that as well. I'm just, more than the display, I'm just really digging the build quality. This thing is built like a tank. Now, a lot of like reviewers like Marcus Brownlee and everyone else who got this phone at launch, they said they have red cameras, and red cameras are $50,000 plus professional cameras. So they said that this phone feels like their camera. So I can assume that yeah, it's probably built as well as their expensive ass cameras. But yeah, I might even get the gray one of this phone, the gray one. It looks really nice. This comes in 3 colors. I forgot exactly what those colors. One's gray, and one's titanium, and I forgot exactly what the colors are. But I might get another one. I really like this phone. This is so industrial look. It just feels so solid, and it's so grippy. This thing is not slipping out of your hand. Really, really interesting phone. So I'll play around with this for a while and eventually do a full review video on this using it in 2021. So stay tuned for that by hitting the subscribe button. And that's the end to this video. It's just a short introduction kind of video. Thanks for watching as usual. And if you liked it, don't forget to smash that like button and hit that subscribe button as well. Also check out my social media down in the description below. Thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.